What if I told you that evil doesn't always look like hate? Sometimes it doesn't roar, it whispers. Sometimes it doesn't attack, it pretends to protect. Sometimes it doesn't hurt you outright. It convinces you that staying small is actually safe, prudent, or for your own good. Sometimes it looks like a helping hand. Sometimes it sounds like, "I only want what's best for you." This is called covert control, a subtle, almost invisible form of manipulation that hides behind kindness. Because the most dangerous manipulators don't yell, they don't threaten, they don't fight. They smile, they praise, they support you while keeping you exactly where they want you. It's the psychology of enabling. They comfort your weakness, so you'll never grow strong enough to leave them. They normalize your doubts, validate your fears, and whisper agreement just often enough to make you doubt your own instincts. It's the trap of toxic positivity, the endless praise that blinds you to your own potential. It's the invisible chain of emotional dependency, keeping you small so you'll always need them, always seek their approval, always defer to their judgment. Think about it. The friend who never challenges you, who nods along even when you're wrong. That's enabling behavior in its purest form. The coworker who flatters your ego in public, but quietly undermines your work. That's passive manipulation, disguised as camaraderie. The family member who always tells you to be realistic when you aim higher. That's covert sabotage, hidden behind a smile and the word love. And here's why it works. It feels safe. It feels supportive. It feels nice. But nice isn't always good. Nice doesn't build you, it shrinks you. Nice doesn't love you, it manages you. Nice doesn't respect your freedom, it controls it. Real kindness risks conflict to tell you the truth. Real love challenges you, even if it hurts. Real loyalty doesn't weaken you, it forces you to become stronger. And yet, the cruelest truth about covert manipulation is that it's rarely obvious. You don't wake up one day and realize someone has been keeping you small. You only notice when you try to stretch, when you try to grow, when you try to step into your own light. And suddenly the helpful hands become shackles. The supportive words become chains. So remember, not every hug is care. Not every smile means safety. Not every "I love you" is real. Sometimes the sweetest words are the sharpest knives of manipulation. Because in the quiet, in the subtle, in the places where you feel safe, that's often where the most dangerous control hides. And escaping it isn't about anger, it isn't about revenge, it's about awakening. It's about seeing the invisible chains, naming the covert manipulation, and finally stepping into your own power, away from those who care too much to let you grow.